Welcome to Writing Feedback for Students from Mentafy. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features, starting with source alerts. Mentafy will alert you once it detected an unusual paragraph. Now you can classify the text passage accordingly. Add a comment, citation, or prompt history here to document the source of the text passage. Now, let's take a closer look at the in-text reporting for this source alert. Simply click on Show in Text. This is the in-text report. The selected source will be highlighted for you to review. You can scroll through the document, ensuring everything is properly cited. You can choose between different checks for other alerts, or even examine the document based on your sessions or even sequences. Back in the workspace, you can not only save sources such as journal articles or books, but also cite information you got, for example, from ChatGPT. To save it as a source, first go to a conversation with ChatGPT about your project. Then, click Share to generate a link and click on Create Link, and a shareable link will be created. Copy the link and paste it into the Notes section of your Mentafy workspace. Finally, you have it recorded in the activity stream. Once added, if you wish to change or preview it, no worries. Click this icon and you'll see your entry. Here you can review the details of the source created by Mentafy, and if you're not satisfied, you can edit it. Want to archive your source? Click the archive icon next to your entry in the activity stream. Mentafy will save the source as a PDF in your OneDrive link. Next, let's explore the Mentafy browser extension, an invaluable tool for collecting sources from around the web. The link to the Mentafy extension is in the description below. With the Mentafy plugin, citing web content is quick and accurate. Simply visit a site, like the New York Times, click the extension, and let Mentafy take a snapshot. The captured content appears in your source list, and you can preview the PDF, ensuring that all relevant information is easily accessible. Thank you for watching. Stand out and stay original.